In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live captions in Google Chrome. This feature automatically generates captions for most audio and video you play in your browser, which is incredibly helpful if you're hard of hearing, working in a noisy place, or just prefer reading along while you watch or listen. Open Google Chrome and look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click that to open the main Chrome menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you control how Chrome behaves. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar for the Accessibility section. Click it to reveal tools designed to make browsing more comfortable and inclusive. Here you'll find the option labeled Live Caption. Turn it on. The first time you enable it, Chrome may download a small set of speech files in the background. That's normal and only takes a moment. Once that's done, live caption will be ready to use. To see it in action, play a video or any audio in a tab. A caption box should pop up near the bottom of your screen with the words transcribed in real time. You can click and drag this box to move it out of the way, and you can collapse it when you want a cleaner view. If your system supports it, you can adjust the look of captions, like font size and background, using your computer's caption preferences to make reading easier on your eyes. Live caption works across many sites and formats and can help even when audio is muted, so you can follow along without bothering people around you. If you don't see the captions appear right away, give it a moment after turning the feature on, then try playing something with clear speech. Also, make sure your Chrome is up to date, as features like this improve over time and may vary slightly depending on your device and region. When you're done, or if you don't need captions for a while, simply return to Settings, open Accessibility, and toggle Live Caption off. You can turn it back on anytime using the same switch. For peace of mind, Chrome processes live captions on your device, which helps keep your audio private while still giving you instant on-screen text. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've made Chrome more accessible and more convenient. Enjoy clearer, more flexible browsing with live caption enabled.